Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can reset password in your WriteSonic account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.app.writesonic.com/login. Once you do so, you will end up in the login page of your WriteSonic account. So simply press on the lost your password option, and once you click on it, you need to now enter your email address. So after you have typed your email, press on the continue button, then go to your Gmail as a link has been sent to your mail. So now simply open your mail and open the Team WriteSonic mail, where you need to press on the verify email address, which will lead you to this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in the new password for your account and reconfirm it by retyping the newly created password. Then simply press on the continue button, and this will help you to reset your password in WriteSonic. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.